Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Fujifilm GFX 100S is probably one of the most anticipated and talked about medium format cameras in recent years, and for good reason, as it packs an incredible 102 megapixel sensor into a body that's surprisingly compact and accessible, making the dream of high-resolution, large format image quality a reality for a wider range of photographers than ever before. Number 5. Fujifilm X-T3 Mirrorless Camera, Body Only. Introducing the Fujifilm X-T3, a revolutionary mirrorless digital camera. Experience unparalleled image quality with its advanced sensor and processing engine. Capture breathtaking moments in stunning 4K resolution. It offers internal 4K 60p 10-bit recording and external 4K 60p 10-bit HDMI output, a first for its class. Achieve sharp focus with its expanded phase detection pixels covering the entire frame. Its low-light focusing capabilities have been significantly improved for clearer shots in challenging conditions. See your world come alive through its high-resolution OLED viewfinder. Enjoy blackout-free burst shooting for capturing fast-paced action without missing a beat. Unleash your creativity with 16 distinct film simulation modes. Explore new creative possibilities with advanced black and white adjustments. What we like. Experience incredible detail with its advanced sensor and processing. If you are looking for a camera that excels in both still photography and high-quality video, this is a fantastic choice. Its speed and low-light capabilities make it great for action and events. What people say. The Fujifilm GFX 100S is a compact and lightweight medium-format camera, making it highly portable. It features a 102MP sensor that delivers exceptional image quality with incredible detail and dynamic range. The camera's autofocus system is fast and accurate, even in challenging lighting conditions. Number 4. K&F Concept NP W235 Battery Charger Set. Never miss a moment with our high-capacity batteries. This set provides a perfect power backup solution, ensuring you have extended shooting time for your camera. Designed to work seamlessly with your Fujifilm camera. Our batteries and charger are compatible with various models, offering a reliable power source without any memory effect. Charge your batteries anywhere, anytime. With USB-C or micro-B input, you can power up using a wall charger, car charger, or power bank for ultimate convenience. Keep track of your power status effortlessly. The smart LCD screen on the charger clearly displays the charging status for each battery, so you always know when they're ready. Your safety is our priority. This set features comprehensive protection against overcharging, overcurrent, and other electrical hazards, ensuring reliable and safe power for your device. Get everything you need for uninterrupted photography. This set includes 2 high-capacity batteries and a dual charger, providing a complete power solution for your camera. What we like. Never run out of power with this essential accessory set. If you are a frequent shooter and need reliable backup power for your Fujifilm cameras, this offers extended shooting time and convenient charging. It's perfect for travel and long days out. What people say. The Fujifilm GFX 100S is a game-changer for medium-format photography, offering incredible image quality and detail. Its compact and lightweight design makes it surprisingly portable for a medium-format camera, allowing for easier handling and shooting on the go. The autofocus system is fast and accurate, even in challenging lighting conditions, ensuring sharp images every time. Number 3. Fujifilm X-T4 Mirrorless Camera with XF16-80mm Lens Kit, Silver. Capture incredibly steady and sharp images, even when shooting handheld. Its advanced in-body image stabilization system works with a digital stabilizer to give you maximum freedom to move and shoot. Never miss the perfect shot with a lightning-fast mechanical shutter, built to last for hundreds of thousands of actuations. Plus, its long-lasting battery ensures you have the power to keep shooting all day. Easily frame your shots from any angle with a versatile vari-angle touchscreen. When you need to focus, the hidden screen and high-resolution electronic viewfinder keep distractions at bay. Seamlessly switch between photography and videography. Record professional-grade video, including DCI 4K 60p and super slow motion, with advanced autofocus that works even in low light. Explore a world of stunning color with Fujifilm's legendary film simulations. Discover new creative possibilities with unique looks that add a professional touch to your images. What we like. Achieve unparalleled stability and creative freedom with its advanced in-body stabilization. If you prioritize handheld shooting in challenging conditions or need a robust camera for both stills and hybrid video work, this model delivers. Its durable build and long battery life ensure you won't miss a shot. What people say. The Fujifilm GFX 100S is a compact and lightweight medium-format camera, making it highly portable. It features a 102MP sensor that delivers exceptional image quality with incredible detail and dynamic range. The camera boasts impressive in-body image stabilization, allowing for sharp handheld shots even in challenging lighting conditions. Number 2. Sony Alpha 7C Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. Introducing the world's smallest and lightest full-frame camera. Experience professional-grade photography in an incredibly compact design. Capture breathtaking detail with its advanced 24.2-megapixel full-frame image sensor. It delivers exceptional clarity and color reproduction in every shot. Unlock your creative potential with stunning 4K movie recording. Enjoy full pixel readout for incredible detail, without any pixel binning or cropping. Achieve incredible detail in both highlights and shadows with its 15-stop dynamic range. Its wide ISO range ensures excellent performance even in low light. Never miss a moment with its sophisticated autofocus system. It boasts 693 phase detection and 425 contrast AF points, covering 93% of the image area. With its versatile features and compact form factor, it's the perfect companion for any photographer or filmmaker. Capture your vision like never before. What we like. Enjoy the power of full frame in an incredibly compact body. If portability is your top priority without compromising on image quality, this camera is for you. It's ideal for street photography, travel, and everyday shooting where size matters. What people say. The Fujifilm GFX 100S is a game-changer for medium-format photography, offering incredible image quality and a compact design. Its 102MP sensor delivers stunning detail and dynamic range, making it ideal for professional photographers who demand the best. The autofocus system is fast and accurate, even in challenging lighting conditions, ensuring you never miss a shot. Number 1. Hasselblad X1D250C Medium Format Camera. Experience the pinnacle of image quality with the Hasselblad X1D250C. This medium-format camera delivers breathtaking detail and color accuracy. Capture every nuance with its impressive 50-megapixel medium-format sensor. It provides incredible resolution for your most demanding projects. Take your vision anywhere. Its lightweight and portable design makes it the perfect companion for on-the-go photographers. Navigate your settings with ease using the vibrant 3.6-inch rear touchscreen. It offers a seamless and intuitive user experience. Frame your shots perfectly with the 3.69 million OLED electronic viewfinder. It provides a clear and precise view of your subject. This camera comes with everything you need to start creating, including a battery, power adapter, USB cable, strap, and protective cover. What we like. Step up to professional medium-format image quality in a surprisingly manageable package. If you demand the absolute best in detail and tonal range for studio work, landscapes, or portraits, this camera offers exceptional resolution. Its intuitive interface makes high-end imaging more accessible. What people say. The Fujifilm GFX 100S is a game-changer for medium-format photography, offering incredible image quality and a compact, user-friendly design. Its 102MP sensor captures stunning detail and dynamic range, making it ideal for professional photographers who demand the best. The autofocus system is fast and accurate, even in challenging lighting conditions, and the in-body image stabilization ensures sharp shots every time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.